This is an appropriate juncture to raise Early Day Motion 175, Public Scientific Hearing on Animal Experiments, that was tabled last June by my honourable friend, the member for East Kilbride, Straven and Les Mahago, and supported by 104 cross-party members. It is relevant to note that EDM 175 was remarked on by myself and others during the October debate. This motion commended the introduction of the Animal Welfare Sentience Bill, which enshrines in law that animals can experience feelings and sensations. It also highlighted this new legislation's connection with the For Life on Earth's revelation that intensive breeding of laboratory dogs was taking place in the UK, and noted that scientists who are outside of the animal-based research sector acknowledge the failure of animal testing in the search for human treatments and cures. Yes.
I thank the honourable member for being so generous and giving way a second time. Gene-based medicine, for example, is a rapidly developing science that can allow for treatment to be completely personalised based on a patient's DNA. That could not be replicated through animal experimentation. So does the honourable member agree that this kind of medical science must be prioritised when it comes to research to avoid unnecessary harm to animals?
I thank the honourable member for that point. I do agree entirely, and not only is it better for the animals, it's better for us as the humans as well, for the form of medicine that we will get. Consequently, the motion called on the government to urgently mandate a rigorous public scientific hearing judged by independent experts from the relevant science fields to stop the funding of the now proven failed practice of animal experimentation and increase funding for state-of-the-art human-based research, such as human-on-a-chip and gene-based medicine, to prioritise treatments and cures for human patients and stop the suffering of laboratory dogs and other animals. And I hope this is not viewed as a separate matter, because it is undoubtedly related. After all, the UK remains the top user of primates and dogs in experiments in Europe, and this petition reminds us that a recent exposé showed the harrowing footage of the factory farming of laboratory dogs in the UK.